Entrepreneurial thinking is the number one skill your company needs. In this new shared economy filled with millennials flooding into the workplace, companies are cultivating a thriving work environment, one that values creativity, self-expression, proactive thinking, collaboration, and innovation. This is exactly where FreshBiz fits in. FreshBiz is a simple yet profound business simulation designed to foster collaboration, creativity, and innovation. It transforms your team's limiting beliefs and upgrades their mindset to help develop new opportunities and to utilize resources effectively. Our game-based workshops that we've already run for over 50,000 people across the planet are ideal for business strategy, team building, conferences, team meetings, and sales retreats. Even after just one session with FreshBiz, your team will already become smarter, more creative, proactive entrepreneurial thinkers ready to play a smarter game of business. So if you're ready to empower your team to become better, brighter, more engaged, and have some fun too, bring us in. Seriously, let's play.